Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
Well, with the heat of the day, a little bit of moisture added to the mix and a thunderstorm recipe, but really things did not transpire to be, well, as severe as it could have been for today. We had a few warnings starting in the very early part of the day. Moving out of the Devil's Lake Basin, there was some hail. There were some warnings with these storms, but by and large, many of us getting torrential rainfall along the Highway 200 corridor as we head through the evening hours. We still have a watch in effect until 9 o'clock for a few of our counties, including the FM area, Richland County, and out in towards Polk County, where we continue to see storms. Some picturesque clouds over the valley. Kyle capturing this Hillsboro area shot with the mean and dark skies heading into the Hillsboro area. A couple of rounds of storms for Hillsboro. And how about this? Tabitha capturing this from the Fargo area. These wavy looking clouds called undulatus, or that wave motion of the atmosphere, kind of shows up in the clouds. And clouds can be a indicator of what our air or atmosphere is doing, even though you can't see air. Down the low side of this cloud, we had a roll cloud. Those oftentimes move very quickly under with the outflow of the storms. And just some good old-fashioned SLCs. Meteorological term, scary looking clouds. Here's a look at what we have going on right now. We're looking off to the east where the storms are moving. There's still some heavy rain with these cells. A little bit of lightning as well. 71 at Hector. After 90 plus degrees, we've cooled down significantly. We have 11 mile per hour winds at this hour. They gusted as the storms blew through over 40 miles per hour in Fargo, over 60 miles per hour along the Highway 200 corridor today. 84 this hour in Jamestown, 82 for Fergus Falls with Roseau at 72 degrees. We have Langdon at 73. Here is a look at that satellite M radar. We can see the storms kind of focusing on that central Red River Valley, now pushing into the southern Red River Valley and Lakes Country. Up north here, we have good old-fashioned heavy rain, not even a lot of thunder and lightning with that. But right now, the most active cells, Fargo points south. This is moving in on the I-94 corridor here in parts of western Minnesota. So if you are in the Wilkin County area, the Barnesville area, and point south, some storms. In Fergus Falls, you have a shower moving towards you, but most of the heavier rain looks like it may pass to your north because these are moving due east at about 25 miles per hour. Pelican Rapids and the Maple Lake State Park area here, a good chance at some heavy soaking showers for your area. And Fargo, we have another cell that's just firing up off to the west of town in West Fargo. That'll pass near the airport here shortly. And there's the good old-fashioned heavy rain for Red Lake Falls, Thief River Falls, all the way up into Roseau County and out towards the Red Lakes area and Bemidji. Clear skies taking place now out to the west for you in New Rockford, Carrington, and Maddock. And the hour-by-hour forecast shows we could see hit-and-miss showers and storms. Will they be severe? Not likely. It does look like, though, as we head to bed tonight, South Dakota could have a lot more activity taking place in the overnight hours. A few strong storms possible out there, but the risk of severe looks to be on the low side. As we head towards daybreak, those storms will move into southern Minnesota. So in our far southern counties, we'll have a chance at some overnight thunder the way things are looking. The rest of us quiet. There'll be more clouds to start out your day tomorrow in Minnesota, but by and large, things look a little cooler thanks to a north flow of wind behind this weather maker today. It's not going to be cold, but just more comfortably cool. It looks dry, it looks sunny for your Friday afternoon. Temperature-wise in Fargo, we start out in the mid-60s. It does look like we'll have a fair amount of clouds in the early part of the day. Those will clear, and it does look like we will warm up to very pleasant summer-like temperatures in the low 80s for your afternoon and a northwest wind at about 15 miles per hour. Temperatures tomorrow near 80 to those low 80s for most, a mid 80 here, not out of the question. Keanu capturing this beautiful cloud here in the Tokyo area as storms move through today. Here's your planning forecast. On Saturday, the sizzle returns. Sunny and 88, Mike. We're back in the 90s again for Sunday. Get ready for that. It looks breezy. And then next week, we'll have heat and a chance of storms just about every day. So all in all, well, tonight's storm's not too bad. We'll keep monitoring, though, for strong ones.
On behalf of all the lawns that got wet, I say thank you for them.
Good.
For many Americans,